May mga nagtatanong sa akin kung hindi daw ba mahirap or nakakahiya mag-solo date. Honestly, no. It's fun. Solo dating is not intimidating if done right. So, here are 5 tips on solo dating for beginners.
Number 1, dress to impress yourself. Look at me, F na F na F. Number 2, bring props like notebook and pen, book, or even a paint. Number 3, kung nahihiya ka pa at di mo pa F na F kumain mag-isa, dine somewhere familiar, like KFC. Maraming pagpipilian pero iba pa rin talaga yung KFC original recipe chicken eh. So, yun ang in-order ko for this solo date. Grabe yung chicken, F na F na F. Fresh from farm to your feast. Hindi frozen kaya mas tasty and flavorful. Mula balat hanggang buto. Hindi ko kinain yung buto ha. Medyo sinipsip ko lang. Sinimot ko kumbaga, ganon. Truly finger-licking good. Number 4. Change your mindset when it comes to doing things alone. Hindi siya malungkot. Hindi siya nakakahiya. It's empowering. And number 5, dapat may suhol ka sa mga maiiwan mo sa bahay. Eme!
I'm back!
Pasalubong!
At dahil nakalimutan ko ang pasalubong, magpapadeliver na lang ako sa KFC. See? Hindi naman mahirap mag-start ng solo dating. You just have to love your own company. And yes, ako rin yung kumain ng pinadeliver ko. Sarap kaya?